How to make email template in HubSpot. So first go to HubSpot and then just hover your mouse over this icon, and then you can just click on templates. Now from here you can just click on create new template here at the top right. Then you can either start from scratch or just choose among the templates in the library of HubSpot. So to make this fast, we can just select the template here. Then you can just choose if you want HubSpot's help, or you can just set it up yourself. So I'll just choose set up myself. And then as you can see, now you can choose any of the templates here that you want to use. So as you can see, if I hover my mouse over here, you can see what the template would look like. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Then you can just click on save my selections. And there you go. Now you have a template. So if you want to open it up and check how it will look like. And there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.